Hi guys, welcome to my next video. From the beginning, I'm a beginner in crypto almost now 1 month or maybe a little bit more. This is my experience. I'm a beginner. I want to let you know how easy it is to buy or to register on a market. And like I say in my first video, for me is Binance. For beginner, the best market to buy or trade crypto. Now, from the first video you learn, coinmarketcap.com is the best site for any information. Now, let us do what we do in the first video. Click on some coin what you want to buy and where you can find it. But we want some coin what we can buy on Binance. Okay, here's Binance. Then click on Binance on the market where you want to buy Dogecoin. There you can find much coins. This you can see here. All the information comes from coinmarketcap.com. And here you can see what Binance sell, which coin they sell, which coin you can trade there. This is really much. Load more. Now, for us important, now go to binance.com. Let us make it in English. What you must do, click on register. Register yourself with email or mobile. Register, and when you register yourself, you need your passport or your ID card. You need some pictures from your face, and this is really easy. When you already have done, you already registered, then log into your account on Binance, and then it looks like this. So, but what you want to do, what you must do is go to Academy and learn something about crypto. A beginner guide to trading view is really interesting. This is why I say Binance is, for me, for beginners, the best one. This is my experience. But always remember, take your own experience, take your own information, search in the internet, on the World Wide Web. Okay. This is all what I have to say. Feel free and learn. Thanks, and see you in the next video.